everyone, welcome back to KIKOMOON. So I filmed another haul for you guys, and it's gonna be a very short YesStyle haul, and this video is also gonna be segmented with like the product's name. So if you're looking for a specific product, you can just scroll in the timeline. So once again, I do have a code, which is KIKOKIKO. You guys already know by now, and I'm just gonna be leaving it in one of these corners, and let's just get started. Okay. Alright, I know you guys hate random advertisement, but this is literally a dream for me to be able to work with Vitaly. Their designs are one of a kind, and if you've never heard of this jewelry brand before, Vitaly is an experimental design studio based in Toronto, and they have this agility to be able to combine architecture and accessories to produce genderless pieces. Also, they were nice enough to give out a $25 discount code, so if you're interested, you can click on the link down below. So I'm gonna start with my favorite piece, which is this feedback earring piece, and I don't even know what to say because it's just like insane and sick, and I can't believe I own one of these now. The next one is also a favorite of mine, which is this keychain piece, and I love that Vitaly doesn't just have earrings, bracelets, and necklaces. Like, this is like such a nice accessory to have. Then I got this glitch necklace, and I was really debating between silver and gold, and as you guys can see, this is highly inspired by AI. I was really drawn towards this bracelet, especially for its name, which is composite, and the details on this bracelet is insane. Do you guys see it? I love it. Like, this has to be my favorite bracelet. Alright, Circuit, this beautiful necklace. I was debating between silver and gold, and at the end I got both because the idea behind this is just so sick. It's such a good idea. Like, I'm so happy to be owning two of these. I'm gonna be wearing like the life out of them. Vitaly has very feminine and delicate jewelries as well, but as you guys can see, like, the style that I'm really going for, it's more like a tough and rough, like masculine style, and I think that's what I like so much about this brand. Just like this razor ring, and also this spark ring, which is a bit more delicate, and it's just really nice on my fingers. Alright, thank you so much, Vitaly, and don't forget to use my link down below for $25 off. So I got this long sleeve top, and I tried to get it in my last haul, but it never, the warehouse like didn't have the item, so I had to cancel it. And I finally got it, and I was a bit disappointed because, well, first of all, the color does not look like on the website at all, and also the fabric is like kind of shimmery. However, I just filmed a green reels outfit. I was like, yo, I have to keep this top because I cannot find any top with the same cut anywhere. Like, the fit of this and the cut of it is just, it is so flattering that now I don't want to return it anymore. I got this set, and it's like a camisole, and it has like a bunch of different colors, and I'm probably gonna get the black one because I really like the blue one. It's just like a regular blue camisole, but what's interesting is the layering. But I found this layering piece, and it's just like this gorgeous mesh top. Then I got this harness corset, and it has a bunch of reviews on YesStyle already, but I'll be honest, I saw the price, and I honestly don't think that it's very proportional to its quality. Like, the straps are so thin, I feel like they could break anytime, so maybe like $18 for this is a bit too much in my opinion. I got this top, and I'm so sad that I got this so late because everyone is wearing this top right now on Instagram. I believe in myself, and I feel like I could style this in a different way. That's why I got it, and I think you get the idea. It has a lot of cutout going on, and the material is very, very thick, so the quality I would say is very good for the price, and I'm definitely getting this in the white color in my next haul. And I wanted like a legit corset because like all the corset I have like are very like cheaply made. It looks more like a legit corset, and the pattern is gorgeous on this, and I'm very shocked that I was able to find something like this on YesStyle, and it fits really well. I'm just lacking a bit of boobs, so I'm gonna have to wear like a push-up bra or something with it. It has like this lacing at the back. So I think I have 2 pieces left. However, these are 2 pieces that I will be returning, and never returned anything from YesStyle because I've always been very happy with the things I received. I thought I was gonna like this because I haven't really seen anyone wear something like this. The fit is just it's just not it, and also the zippers, it's kind of like cumbersome because it's like you're in your armpit, and this is absolutely not it. It really doesn't look like the picture at all. So if you planned on buying this, just know that this is like a t-shirt material, and it's very like cheaply made. And I can't believe they were selling this at such a high price. Like, it's unbelievable. So in terms of return, I did my little research. You go on YesStyle, you print out the return slip of paper. This doesn't mean that they cover your shipping fee. It's just that you have to have it so they can scan it and know this order is connected to you. So then after doing all of that, what I did is that I went to the closest post office. I asked the lady how much it would cost to ship this, and surprisingly it doesn't cost that much for me if I want to ship it to Mississauga. I think that it is absolutely worth it for me to return these items, and it will only take 4 to 5 days apparently. She's not even sleeping. Most of the time she's not actually even sleeping. Okay. But yeah, so that was it for the haul. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was a very short haul. The next haul, hopefully if everything arrives, it's gonna be something more interesting. And yeah, I'm not very active on YouTube because I've been very active on Instagram, so make sure to check it out if you want to know how I style my outfits and items. And yeah, that's about it. Make sure to use my code, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.